Hi, this is Jake. Today I will show the process of cleaning the HP 9015 printer nozzle and replace the printer nozzle. And based on the cleaning printer nozzle, we need some tools, a set of cleaning kit, and cleaning fluid. And this is the 6-angle screwdriver. When your printer printing is not clear and printer ink is not uniform, you can try these two ways. First, we open the printer cover, flip this switch down on the right. Take the nozzle out like I'm doing. The nozzle can be removed easily by gently pulling up the wrench. You can see that the nozzle is seriously blocked. First, prepare a 6-angle screwdriver. Take these 6 screws off. Remove this interface chip position as well. Next, we get the special cleaning liquid ready. Insert the long tube into the syringe head and draw out 4 to 5 ml of cleaning liquid. Insert the long tube into the joint where the ink sac needs to be cleaned. Push and pull slowly. Don't use force to push. This will be the ink inside of the fuel burst. Feel the pressure of the nozzle like foreign body discharge, so as to achieve the purpose of cleaning. When we see the nozzle can flow out of the cleaning liquid, it has been successfully cleaned. Because the principle of cleaning the nozzle is to discharge the foreign body that leads to the plug in the nozzle. After cleaning, we wipe the water stains at the joint of the ink bin. Then I will install the nozzle. Connect the chip in the right position. And then turn the 2 screws first, like I do. Position it as I do, and put in 4 screws. And then I put it in the printer. Printing the test page to see if it was clear. Just after installation, it is normal for the printhead paper to be stained with water or not clear. Just print more pages. Look, it's perfect. That's really all I have for today, you guys. Thank you for watching, and until next time.